to vector database in AI. So vector database are type of database built specifically to handle data that is stored in the form of vector instead of traditional database that rely on structured data like names, dates or number. Vector databases are designed to handle complex unstructured data like text, image and audio. They are work by storing this data as high dimensional vector which are like point in a multi-dimensional space, allowing us to capture the meaning behind the data. This makes them perfect for application where you need to search or comparing things based on similarity, like finding similar image, retrieving document based on topic, or recommending content based on user interest. Like previously we search on database like old database that we need to rely on. If we want to search like animal, like we simply need to type of animal name like cow, dog, buffalo, cat, kitty. But in now vector database we simply want to find animals, we simply type animals, it can provide animals that in our store vector database that can store data. Why vector database so powerful? Here you can see the choose the appropriate database type of handling complex data. Here you can see vector database handle unstructured data and similarity search, but traditional database manage structured data with fixed schema. We need to design with more complex, it take more time to build, but in now we use AI or LLM to store. Imagine you can have a whole collection or photo on your computer and you want to find photo that look like similar one in particular photo you like. Doing this manually looking through every photo will take a long time. This is where a vector database come in handy. Here you can see collection of photo, manual search and large volume, and finding similar photo, efficiency and accuracy. This is the power of vector database. What is vector database? Let's explain you first. First let's talk about vector in a simple term. Vector is just a list of numbers that represent something in a mathematical way. For example, if you have a photo of machine learning, the model can turn photo into vector, a list of numbers, capture important feature of photo like color, shape. Here you can see the example. In our computer we have a thousand of photo that we want to find similar photo with same style, color, something like that. So vector database make it easy. In traditional database we need to rename it like date, time, name anything like to find and search, but this is the vector. Here you can see the numerical represent future extraction, mathematical abstraction. What does a vector database do? A vector database is a special kind of database that stores this vector, but it doesn't just store them. It helps you to find vector land, thus the item they represent like photo, text or other data that are similar to each other. Example, let's say you run a website, user can upload photo of dog. You want to create a feature that automatically recommends similar photo when someone upload a new one. So let's make a demo for your Pinterest. We simply click on the Pinterest some image, but Pinterest in the bottom it can show the similar image that look like same, but it work on color and style. I think like color. Here you can see the how to make that a Pinterest look like website. Here you can see the demo. When you upload a new photo uploaded, then it convert into vector and then you can store in vector database and compare to vector and find similar photo and recommend similar photo to our user. Here You can see how this work. This is correct. If you don't want to that much, use Pinterest and go to click on an image. In the bottom it can show you the similar image that look like this example. Here you can see photo to vector. When a new photo is uploaded, it get converted into a vector, a list of numbers that represent unique characteristic of that photo. And second is store the vector. This vector is stored in the vector database along with vector from or other dog photo on your website. Means when a user uploaded photo, it converted into a vector database into binary form like 0 to 1, and then it can store in the vector database, and then it can use 0 to 1 find similar photo. When you want to find similar photo, the vector database quickly compare new photo to vector or other in the database, find that in the closest or most similar. When it convert binary form, that make it more even easy to find similar photo and recommend similar photo database. Then turn the photo that are most similar to the new one, and you can show this as a recommendation to the user. Why this is useful? A vector database can handle millions or even billions of vectors and still find the closest matches very quickly. This makes it incredibly useful for things like recommendation system, suggesting product, movie or photo that are similar to what a user like. Here you can see search engine, how the Google work. Finding Google also has the feature of recommendation of similar image. Finding document, image or video that are most relevant to what our user looking for. This is also based on how Google work. AI application, anything where you need to compare complex data like identifying similar photo in a media. I am unable to read, sorry for that. It doesn't can drag. Let's see the cycle of vector and database application. You can see the user interface, data collected, like what type of interest there, and the process into our vector database like Facebook. Let's give the example of Facebook. When you get a Facebook open, it can collect data like what we like photo, what we comment, what can we spend most time on photo, video. Here you can see. Then it can convert the into vector database and store it, and the recommend when you scroll again, and it can show the similar image. Like when you open the Facebook, we saw the Facebook about the dog photo, and we can like, comment and spend our most time. Then it can store that data into vector database Facebook and provide similar dog image in sometime in our feed. And we like the most of vector, when we like the most dog photos, then it can show our dog photos most of the time. When you can skip this dog photo, it can stop showing how the Facebook work, and then it can get user feedback also. In a short, a vector database help you manage and search through a large amount of data by comparing items based on their mathematical fingerprint. The vector making it powerful tool for many AI applications. Data input, convert data into vector, store vector in database, and compare item and AI application. I think this is the valuable for you. I think great one. Okay, bye.